How to upgrade heroes in Idle Heroes game. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you are trying to figure out how to level up your heroes in Idle Heroes without getting confused, you're in the right place. First of all, launch open the Idle Heroes game on your device. Once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and tap on Hero at the bottom of the screen. In the Heroes list, select the hero you want to upgrade. Now, in the info section, you'll see this little green button. Click on it. The more you click on that, the more upgrades you'll be able to do. To keep upgrading, press and hold the upgrade button. After you are done with enough upgrading, you'll be able to evolve the hero. Just select your hero and tap on the arrow button, keep pressing it, and you'll be able to evolve them after enough pressing. Once this pop-up appears, click on Evolve, and that's it. That's how you upgrade your hero in Idle Heroes. Now you know how to quickly upgrade your hero like a pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.